Hello my students, welcome again. Today we are going to do Module 6, Lesson 6, page 74. So do please open your student's book, page 74, and the title is Writing a Newspaper Article. Writing a Newspaper Article. Do you know what's the meaning of article? You must be knowing. Look at the picture here. This is newspaper and this is article, مقالة. So today we are going to do this exercise, and before that please look at the outcomes here. The outcomes of this lesson are to read a newspaper article about Ahmed bin Majid. So we are going to read about this man and know who is this man. To write a newspaper article, and we need to try practicing to write a newspaper article. To practice punctuation and capital letters. So we need also to do some punctuation, some capital letters when we need to write the capital letters. And to review joining sentences with conjunction. So these are the outcomes for Unit 6, Lesson 6. So we need to keep them in mind. So we are going to, this is our goal. We need to do these activities. These our aims. Writing a newspaper article, student's book, page 74. Can you read the title here? Try to read the title and tell me what is it about. Yes, it is the Oman Times. The Oman Times. So this article is from Oman Times. It's a newspaper in Sultanate Oman. So it's the Oman Times. Oman 2011. So the date of this article is 2011. It's from Omani newspaper. It's called the Oman Times. Do you know what is it about? Try to read here. Look at your books, page 74, and tell me about what. Go through the picture. Try to find the names, dates, something you can scan very fast. Okay, here the picture is clear. The famous sailor, Ahmed bin Majid. So it talks about this man. His name is Ahmed bin Majid. Was a very intelligent traveler. Intelligent traveler. So we have traveler. Traveler, we have studied about Ibn Battuta and said he is traveler, رحالة. So also we are giving another example about Ahmed bin Majid, and he is intelligent traveler. Intelligent means we have taken also this adjective. It is ذكي, عبقري, intelligent traveler. This is his story. This is the story of this man, Ahmed bin Majid. So try to read this story. After that, we will try to answer the questions that follow. We have here, we have around 4 questions. I will make it clearer for you. Or please look from your student's book. I will read with you. Ahmed bin Majid wanted to discover the world. So he wanted to discover the world. Why? So he started sailing when he was 17. So when he started sailing, do you know what's of sailing? Ibhar. He started sailing when he was 17 years old. He lived in the 15th century. In the 15th century. Most of his travels were to the Red Sea. Red Sea. So most of his journeys were to the Red Sea and the Western Indian Ocean. You know what's the meaning of ocean? Ocean. Ocean means muhit. Ocean means muhit. He, Ahmed bin Majid, he wrote many books. He wrote many books, Ahmed bin Majid, and poems. Also he wrote poems. You know what's the meaning of poems? Poems. قصائد. He wrote many poems about sailing. Indian sailors used his books in their trips. So the Indian sailors, they used to read his books and they used to use them in their trips. So he gave them this information. Ahmed bin Majid was an intelligent sailor. He was very intelligent, ذكي. He examined the ship. Examined. Okay, do you know what's the meaning of examined? Examined, تفحص. He examined the ship after building it. After he builds the ship, he looks at it and see how it looks, if there's any problems. He knew the direction of the wind by putting a piece of cloth on the ship. So he used to know the direction of the wind. Is it from the west or from the east or from the north? By putting a cloth on the top of by putting a piece of cloth on the top of the ship. He was also good at astrology. Astrology. Do you know what's the meaning of astrology? Astrology, try to find. Astrology is a science of knowing the... Okay, so Ibn Battuta, Ahmed bin Majid was also good at astrology. Astrology means علم التنجيم, to know about the future. Okay, to know about what's going to happen. Okay, so now we have read about Ahmed bin Majid. Now let's see the questions. Here we have some questions. Let's try to read these questions and try to answer them. Why did he want to be a traveler? Why did Ahmed bin Majid wanted to be a traveler? What's his reasons for being a traveler? The second question, what are the places that he visited the most? Places that he visited. Where did he sail? Was he an intelligent sailor? Why or why not? Was he intelligent? From where we get the answers? From the article here, page 74. Did he help other sailors? If yes, how? How did he help other sailors? Try to look again and answer these questions. We have come across most of these answers, the answers to these questions. So I'll give you seconds just to answer it or answer these questions orally. Then we will go and check our answers. So let's move to the answers here. Students' book, page 74, exercise 2. The answers. The first question, why did he want to be a traveler? Why did he want to be a traveler? The answer, he wanted to be a traveler because he wanted to discover the world. So he wanted to discover the world. He wanted to see the world. The second question, what are the places that he visited the most? The most places that he visited, we have come here through them. We said he visited the Red Sea, Bahr al-Ahmar, and the Western Indian Ocean. The Western Indian Ocean, Al-Muhit, Al-Hindi, Al-Gharbi. Okay, so these are the most places that he visited. Question number C. Was he an intelligent sailor? The answer, yes, he was. He was intelligent sailor. He examined the ship after building it. Why? Because he examined the ship after building it. And also what? He knew the direction of the wind. Direction, اتجاه. So he knew the direction of the wind. The direction of the wind, اتجاه الرياح. He knew the direction of the wind by putting a piece of cloth on the ship. On the top of the ship, he used to put a piece of cloth, so he will know the direction of the wind. And he was good at astrology. Also, he was good at astrology. As we said, it's علم التنجيم. The last question, did he help other sailors? And we answered this question. He helped other sailors, especially the Indian sailors. Yes, he did. Indian sailors used his books in their travels. They used his books in their travels. They used to read his books in their travels. So he helped them. Okay? So please now answer these questions. Activity, the student's book, page 74. Okay? And try to write something like this. In a group, write a newspaper article about famous travelers. Try to find any traveler. Go through your books or through the net and find some travelers and write about them.